How to follow and copy top traders on BingX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily follow and experienced traders and automatically copy their trades, which is great for beginners who want to learn or trade without doing all the analysis themselves. So let's get started. First of all, open your BingX application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the copy trading button, which should appear in the home page itself. Go ahead and tap on it, and on the next page, this is where all the top traders are listed. You can go ahead and choose from the futures category, spot category, or all strategies category. Go ahead and choose one of the traders you want to view the details on. After finding one of the traders and their data, you'll be able to see their trading history, risk scores, average holding times, and so on. This helps you find someone whose style matches your goals. Just find the trader you like to follow or copy, and once you get inside their page, tap on the follow button and tap on the copy button at the bottom right. Now you can choose how much you want to invest for copying the trader. Enter the investment amount at the top and make sure that you have enough balance. Make sure to choose the minimum amount required or the maximum amount you are comfortable with. You can start small if you're new, and that's totally okay. After having sufficient balance you want to spend or invest, click on the copy now button at the bottom. But if you don't have sufficient balance, you might not be able to copy them. But the process is this. After everything looks good, from the moment on, your account will automatically copy the trader's open and future trades. You can then check your copied position anytime by going to copy trading or my copies, and you'll see real-time profit and loss, current positions, trade history, total profit from copy trading, etc. So that is how you can easily follow and copy top traders on BingX. Simple, exciting, and perfect for beginners who want to learn from experts. I hope you found the tutorial to be helpful today. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.